What if I told you that your mornings could start with excitement, not dread? Imagine waking up knowing each day brings you closer to financial freedom and unparalleled wellness. Are you tired of struggling to pay those endless bills, feeling like you're drowning in expenses? Or perhaps you dream of enough income to finally enjoy more time with your loved ones. If any of these resonate with you, then it's time to change the narrative. Dive into the world of LiveGood, where we don't just offer products, we offer a lifestyle transformation. Our 100% organic solutions are more than just a purchase, they're an investment in your future. Picture a life where your finances are secure, your health is thriving, and your time is truly yours. With LiveGood, you're not just buying a product, you're joining a community dedicated to living their best lives. Take our 5-minute video tour and see the magic of LiveGood for yourself. Ready to make a change? Visit livegoodtour.com/Grekare and start your journey towards financial freedom and wellness today. Your future self will thank you. Don't just live, live good.